everyone, welcome to Linsn LED KT's channel. With the shortage of energy and the strengthening of environmental awareness, energy-saving products are becoming more and more popular. Today, let's introduce our most popular outdoor energy-saving products, EV960 series display, which is also the best choice for 3D billboard advertising. Let's see the selling point of EV960 cabinet. Aluminum frame structure. High brightness, which can reach 10,000 nits. High contrast. Low consumption, like 100 square meter consuming 288 kW per day. Professional design. Module lock. Cooling rubber. Cable-less design. Super light and thin, ultra thin thickness with 75 mm design. For the weight, 28 kg per square meter for aluminum frame. EMC Class B certificate for silver use. IP66 protecting rate. Full sealed design, reducing internal components damage. 3 years warranty for LED module, 100 nits vision. EV960 support 90-degree right angle design. Radian right angle design use small cabinet size, 120 by 960 mm. Can be seamless splicing support 3D billboard advertising. Add stand and pillows. EV960 cabinet also can use for sport LED display. Let's see the more details of the cabinet. First, let's see the module design. Unique panel design with 480 by 320 mm. Aluminum chassis with edge lock without screwing. You can see each LED module is equipped with a 4-piece edge lock. Good heat dissipation with cooling system, cooling rubber, aluminum chassis, white cabinet. The whole product can reach 5 VB5 proving level. Safety harness design. Each LED module is equipped with a safety harness to prevent the module from falling and hitting people. Elegant design. Cable-less design with power and data cables are hidden at the bottom of the panel. Hard connection. BTB connector replace data and power cables. High stability. Seamless splicing. The aluminum module achieves seamless splicing and high flatness. There is no gaps between LED modules. Total front and rear service can support 100% wall-mounted installation, more convenient and saving time and money. Now we will open the power box. Let's see what it looks like inside. You can see the power box inside have 2-piece 400 watts power supplier, or you can choose 1-piece 800 watts power supplier, 1 hub card, and 1 receiving card. Our power box can realize 100% front surface. Let's see more details about the front and rear surface of EV960.